The Audi Q5 Sportback is a standout model that merges the practicality of a sport utility vehicle with the dynamic styling of a coupe. This balance between functionality and sleek design makes it an appealing choice for those who want versatility without sacrificing aesthetics. The second generation Q5 Sportback offers generous storage space to accommodate diverse needs. With up to 515 liters of luggage capacity, it is ideal for families and travelers alike. Folding down the rear seats expands this space to an impressive 1,415 liters, ensuring you can carry larger items with ease. The vehicle also has a towing capacity of up to 2,400 kilograms, underscoring its versatility. In terms of design, the Q5 Sportback exhibits a sophisticated look. The prominent single-frame grille, flanked by vertical air curtains, gives the front a bold presence. Razor-sharp headlights add a modern edge, while a flowing shoulder line and a sloping roof enhance its coupe-like profile. The refined rear end features a sculptural light strip and a clean, uncluttered surface, showcasing Audi's attention to detail. Inside, the Q5 Sportback offers a premium experience tailored to its occupants. The cabin blends style, comfort, and sustainability with materials like Cascade upholstery and Dynamica microfiber, both crafted from recycled polyester. The soft wrap design creates a cohesive, welcoming space, while advanced digital displays, including the Audi MMI panoramic and passenger displays, provide a seamless tech experience. The Q5 Sportback is built on Audi's premium platform combustion, which supports highly efficient mild hybrid technology. The 48-volt system reduces carbon emissions, enhances performance, and even allows for limited electric maneuvering. At launch, the lineup includes a 2-liter turbocharged gasoline engine delivering 204 horsepower and a 2-liter diesel engine with 204 horsepower and 400 Newton-meters of torque, both paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. For those seeking extra power, the SQ5 variant boasts a 3-liter V6 engine with 367 horsepower. Starting at €54,800, the Q5 Sportback will be available to order in December 2024. With its blend of style, capability, and cutting-edge technology, it represents a compelling choice in the luxury SUV segment.